Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a 2024 13 Sport Boston Whaler just arrived. It's powered with a 40 horsepower Mercury Fourstroke engine. It has your stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder, mounted cleats in the stern. This has the bimini top, bench seat with dual stainless steel cup holders, removable 6-gallon fuel tank, has your battery mounted underneath your seat. Your light bar is back here on the helm. It does have a glove box here in the helm as well. Stainless steel steering wheel. Storage in the bow. Bow cleat here. Port and starboard lighting. Has the bow rail. This is the 2024 13 Sport by Boston Whaler. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman.